This book is on fire by Keres and artwork by Arthur Lynn. Greetings, little one. Finn the Frog here. I am so glad you came to visit my book today. I can't wait to show you what I have planned. You are in for a real treat. Come on. I promise you won't be disappointed. Let me welcome you to my top of the line kitchen. Whoa. Earthquake! Quick, find something to hold on to. Holy moly, that was a big one. You okay over there, kid? What do you mean your stomach? That was you being hungry? Yikes! Why didn't you say so? Today, your lunch is going to be prepared by the world's most spectacular chef. Turn the page and let me introduce you to, drum roll please, me. That's right, I, Finn the Frog, am the chef of your dreams. The king of the kitchen, the food fanatic, the appetizing amphibian. Wait, no, scratch that last one. What I'm trying to say is I am very good at cooking. Now, let's get to it and fix that growly tummy. First up, my world famous pasta. This is a recipe handed down from my great-grandfather Freddie. He was born in a pond just outside of Italy. Quite the chef, that guy. The sauce is made from fire, roasted tomatoes. Oh, I can't wait for you to try this. And now for the final touch. Voila! Famous Freddie's pasta. Bon appetito! Take a bite and tell me that isn't the best thing you've ever had. What? No green stuff? You've got to be joking. I will have you know that green stuff is organic lily pad imported all the way from Italy. It's a delicacy. No green stuff? Ridiculous. That lily pad was expensive and now it's getting washed down the sink. Rude. That's what it is. Would it be so hard to say, the green stuff's not my favorite? Never mind. Just wait until you see what I have planned next. Get ready for your taste buds to do a happy dance. I have 2 words for you. Meatloaf. This isn't your granny's meatloaf. Ha! It's my granny's actually, but with my own special flair. Good old American comfort food. So tender, so juicy, simply the best. I bet you'll be licking your plate clean after this one. What? Not your favorite? Well, at least you were polite this time. It's not like you called it mushy. You're calling my meatloaf mushy? I'll have you know that mush comes from the finest swamp mud this side of the Mississippi. You sure are hard to please. Wait, I know what you'll like. This next dish is, without question, the best one I make. Ah, do you smell it? Heavenly, specially marinated and flame-grilled Brazilian ribeye with whipped potatoes. Consider yourself lucky, kid. This dish is delicioso. Stinky? That's preposterous. Everyone knows that soaking the meat in pond water is the best way to tenderize it, and it provides a lovely aroma. Well, every time I soak in it, it softens me right up and I think I smell fabulous. What did you say? No, frog legs are not on the menu. Oh boy, this is a disaster. I should have just made you those little dinosaur nuggets, or noodles and butter, or grilled cheese, or... Wait, what? Grilled cheese? That's what you want? Okay, kid, you win. I know I'm a great chef, and you're a hungry kid, so grilled cheese it is. Basic, bland, boring. No special skills required to cook this one. Oh, what difference does it make? I've already made so many dirty dishes. What's one more? I'd better get started on them. You know how I feel about a mess, and cleaning this one up is going to take me all... Ack! I got distracted and forgot to flip your grilled cheese, and look, now it's burning. Don't panic, Finn. Don't panic. You can handle this. No, you can't. Mayday, mayday, this book is on fire! Kid, turn the page and help me put this thing out quick. Holy smokes. Thanks, kid. That was crazy. Let's just keep that page closed so it doesn't spread to the rest of the book. Whew. Sorry about the sandwich. Let me make you a new one. Huh? You're taking that? Why? What are you thinking? You don't have to do that just to be polite. Oh, slightly burnt grilled cheese is your favorite? Maybe you're not impossible to please. I guess I never thought of asking what you like. I just assumed everyone would like my food. I shall call it totally toasted cheesy pleasy. Whoa, why is my book shaking again? Is this another earth? Wow. You know, in many cultures, a burp is considered a compliment to the chef. I'll take it. Oh, look. You're not the only one who likes burned grilled cheese. Maybe mistakes aren't always a bad thing. Care for some dessert? Get it while it's hot. The end.